Welcome to Xciting Machines. In today's video, we're diving into handyman tips and tricks that really work. Whether you're fixing things around the house, tackling small repairs, or improving your DIY skills, these simple yet powerful hacks will save you time, money, and frustration. From clever shortcuts to smart tools you need to know about, we've got practical advice for beginners and pros alike. Stick around for bonus tips that could make your next home project even easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome content. A screwdriver battery can temporarily replace a jump starter. Using a plastic bottle can assist with minor body repairs. Attach a strong magnet to a vacuum cleaner to prevent screws and washers from getting sucked in. This wood crafting is next level. Who wants a coin when you can open it with key? Removing paint with chain, that is insane. Charging phone like this is next level. These two workers has next level IQ. Okay, so where is this all wood going? Thanks for watching today's video on handyman tips and tricks that really work. We hope you found these ideas helpful and inspiring for your next DIY project. At Xciting Machines, we're all about bringing you the smartest solutions, coolest tools, and best advice to make every task easier and more efficient. If you learned something new or picked up a trick you're excited to try, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Xciting Machines and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos packed with handy tips, tool reviews, and exciting innovations. Got your own favorite handyman tip? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.